Assalamu alaikum. Today I have come to show solidarity with Mr. Donald Trump and with a fist and bandage on my right ear. This is to show that were really worried about Mr. Donald Trump, but we are happy that he escaped this attempt on his life. Your Excellency, you were great. I saw your movie once you are hit by the bullet on the ear. It shows that you have very good reflexes. You have very good brain function. I saw you ducking within a split second. I don't know whether this is a part of your normal training. They trained you, your security people, they trained you for this sort of thing, or you reflexly did it. But it was very nice to know that you are the next president possibly of United States of America. Our praise are for you because this shows that your brain function and your health is very good and you are suitable for this job as a president of the United States of America. You have always been a good friend of Pakistan, and we Pakistanis hope that our relationship will increase further. I have one or two requests for you. If you can do that, it should be very nice. Number one, that Joe Biden is not your enemy or something. He's a brother. He is out of the race, but you just don't think he is your enemy. You take some time for 10 to 15 minutes and talk to him and go to him with some flowers and sit with his family for 5 to 10 minutes. This will be very nice. This will reduce the tension, and this is good thing which are usually done by good people, and you are one of the very good and fine people. So you must do it to reduce the stress and tension of the American people. Number two, once you are in power, you should try to help the Palestinian cause, and already too much blood has been shed. Wherever there are people who are suppressed and killed, please try to help them. This will be a big achievement, and this reward will be from Allah, inshallah. So I don't want to take much time. I don't know this reaches you or not, but our prayers are with you and the people of United States of America. So long live United States of America and friendship with Pakistan. Allah Hafiz. Salaam alaikum.